Hey everyone, and welcome to a new OfficeLogix Shop tutorial. We've been getting a bunch of questions on how to replace the height adjustment mechanism on the Herman Miller Aeron Classic chair, so we're going to walk you through the easiest way to get it done. Let's dive in. The height adjustment mechanism is tucked away inside the box, known as the mechanism cover, right under the seat. So, if you want to get to the height adjustment mechanism, you'll have to take off the seat and the mechanism cover below it. Start by taking out the seat bolts on both sides. Now, go ahead and remove the bolts on the mechanism cover. These bolts are what keep the seat links attached to the cover. After you've removed the seat and the cover, you'll spot the height adjustment cable, which is connected to the right arm yoke, the side with just one knob. You might see that the back's been taken off. You don't actually have to remove the back to do this. We just took it off so you can get a clearer view of the whole process. Before you start on removing the height adjustment mechanism, you've got to remove the knob first. There are two types of these knobs. The new ones can be snapped out with ease, but the old ones, identifiable by a hole on the bottom, will break if you try to force them out. We suggest watching our video on how to remove those old version knobs first. Now you can unscrew the height adjustment mechanism. After that, unscrew it from the chair too. Now you can remove your old height adjustment mechanism. Grab the new one, reinsert the screws, and tighten it onto the chair. Then, attach the other side to the arm, pop the screws in, and make sure they're tight. You might notice your chair going up without touching the height adjustment knob. This means the pin on the mechanism needs to be balanced. It's a simple fix. Take a screwdriver and tighten the pin little by little, testing it with the height adjustment knob on the side as you go. Just be careful not to overdo it because you don't want to break anything. If it gets too tight, just rotate the pin to the other side until you reach a balanced state. Next, attach the seat mechanism cover. It's worth mentioning that there are two versions of this cover, one with 2 teeth and another with 4 teeth. Just snap the teeth in their respective slots. Make sure that the cables are out of the way so the cover closes securely. Now just snap the knob in. Make sure that the arms are pushed away so you can have enough space, then insert the seat as shown. Reattach the seat links to the mechanism cover, then insert the bolts and tighten them well. Once the seat links are attached, insert the seat bolts. It's recommended to tighten the first side just a little bit. Then once you insert and fully tighten the other side, you can fully tighten the first side again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch our other videos, like and subscribe for more helpful guides.